This is a 1964 Ford Fairlane 500 Sports Coupe. Under the hood here is 389 with two 4-barrels and performance cam. So the owner tells me that it's been hopped up a bit. It looks that way. Beautiful condition. Brand new radiator, it looks like. Nice wheels. That contrasting red stripe down the stainless trim. Now that piece right there under the Sports Coupe, the pot metal piece, is a very hard one to find in really good shape. They tend to get pitted. This one looks in pretty good shape, as good as you're going to find. And the interior is a beautiful red, just like brand new. I like the contrasting silver aspects there, and the piping and the door panels. Nice steering wheel. Got a tack, and we've got a 4-speed manual there. Very nice. White roof. There's that panel again. Now we're not going to get a very good look at the very back end of the car because of the license plate that I managed to capture, so I had to remove that from the video. But the big round tail lights, as you know. Another view of one of those panels there. Very nice car, and it looks like it's ready to go.